Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a property tax guide with Coldwell Banker step by step clearly. Start by gathering all relevant local property tax information. Research the guidelines and deadlines for property tax assessments in your area. Collect data on property tax rates and any exemptions available to homeowners. Identify the key forms needed for property tax assessment and payment. Create a detailed outline of the guide, focusing on clarity and simplicity. Draft an introduction that explains the importance of understanding property taxes. Include a section on how property taxes are calculated. Explain common terms related to property taxes, such as assessed value and tax rates. Provide tips on how to appeal property tax assessments if necessary. Gather testimonials or insights from local Coldwell Banker agents on the property tax process. Include links to local government resources for further information. Add a section on frequently asked questions regarding property taxes. Highlight any upcoming changes in property tax legislation that may affect homeowners. Incorporate a checklist to help homeowners prepare for their property tax assessments. Review and revise the guide to ensure accuracy and completeness. Design a visually appealing layout for the guide. Incorporate maps or charts if applicable to enhance understanding. Finalize the document, ensuring all resources are accurately cited. Prepare a version for digital distribution, optimizing it for online use. Plan a promotional strategy to share the guide through Coldwell Banker channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.